Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, it's been a rough start to the new school term for students living in Mountain View in St. Andrew. Now, while most students across the country were heading to school, the violence gripping the area forced parents to keep their children at home. The community is a virtual ghost town, with some businesses even suspending their services. TVJ's Kalisha Williams was in the area today and now reports.
Police and soldiers maintaining a presence in Mountain View, St. Andrew. While they stood outside, residents and other stakeholders were meeting inside the Jakes Road Community Center. The residents argue that the conflict in the area has been going on for far too long and they're tired of it. One resident said she lost her common-law husband in the conflict.
I'm stressed out. I really need this to done because the tree so far that it has lost its life for nothing. Oh no, I can't believe it. I don't know what to say to my children then. I just feel mad. So I don't know how best I can deal with it. Which the pain still, you know the pain of going about. But just hope it can finish.
Another resident was frustrated that her husband's killers have not been found.
You can't find them. Me don't feel like so them supposed to go so freely. And not have evidence, you don't need nobody to talk.
But the police insist that they need people with information to come forward as they try to stop the killings.
A lot of persons were killed in broad daylight, where this is concerned. But no one has come forward. We canvass the communities. We canvass the areas in which persons were killed, and we say, what did you see to persons? Nobody has seen anything. Even when there is an enclosed area, persons are sitting in the space, as you would have heard it. Nobody is willing to say, I saw somebody, I saw this, I saw that.
The head of the Kingston Eastern Police Division says people living in the Jakes Road, Goodrich Lane, as well as Backbush areas have been killed in the ongoing conflict.
Persons have been killed out of the Mountain View space, at least 4, maybe 5. But they are from both communities, and it is believed that it is a result of this conflict. Why they were killed. All right, so when they were killed in other spaces, we have concerns. We have concerns that it is an escalation, elevation of the conflict.
The political representatives say they're committed to ensuring that peace returns to Mountain View. Southeast St. Andrew MP Julian Robinson says innocent people are dying.
The last young man who got up and spoke, he spoke about the fact that people can't go to their places of work because they are in fear of being killed. And as a result, many of them are losing their jobs. And so you are almost perpetuating a vicious cycle of poverty.
I will work with the residents of the communities of which I am MP to get them to rise up and tell what they know. That's the only way.
Vashan Brown, TVJ News.